So the MR2 pressure, which we already seen yesterday, the circuit, the MR2 pressure is going to the air brake system, that is air brake panel via one cutout cock and J filter. This cutout cock is called a brake system cutout cock, and this is called J filter. One small paper filter insert will be there that will filter the dust particles, and this line is going to the short hood. So this is the MR2 reservoir. From the MR2 reservoir outlet on loco car right side nearer to the fuel tank and cutout cock, J filter is available. After that, the line is going to the air brake panel available in the nose compartment. Okay. So this is the loco right side. This is the short hood you can able to see. Here you can see this J filter and cutout cock. This is J filter and cutout cock. So in this WDM2 type of loco, the reservoir is available on loco on the right side. So right side only we are having our MR2 reservoir. So from this MR2 reservoir outlet via one cutout cock and one J filter, the line is going to the air brake system available on the nose compartment. The closer to the MR2 reservoir, J filter and the brake system cutout cock. Control reservoir, as I said yesterday, from the MR1 line, we need to supply 5 kg of air to the BKT's reversers and electropneumatic power contactors. So this air is called the controller pressure. So the controller pressure is from the MR1 tapping is given and is taken to one limiting valve. This is the limiting valve. This limiting valve converts this 10 kg pressure into 5 kg pressure, and this pressure is supplied to one reservoir. This is called control reservoir. This control reservoir and this limiting valve is available on the nose compartment in all the locos, except WDP3 loco, that is dual cab alpha loco. This control reservoir, its cutout cock and its reducing valve, that is N1 reducing valve or limiting valve. So this valve converts the 10 kg pressure, MR pressure into 5 kg controller pressure. So these are available on alternator room on P3 locos. In remaining all the other alpha locos, it is available inside the nose compartment. Next is this air dryer unit. So what is the function of this air dryer? As I said, this air dryer is available between MR1 and MR2. It is provided to absorb moisture from the compressed air before going to the air brake system. So the absorbed moisture is automatically drained from this air dryer. Okay. So this air dryer, it is a heatless regenerative air dryer. What is inside this air dryer? Silica beads will be inside this tower cell. The moisture from the air, and it will, the moisture absorbed will be drained by the dryer itself. So it is a heatless regenerative air dryer. So this air dryer available between MR1 and MR2, it is having one inlet cock, one outlet cock. If this air dryer is malfunctioning, that is, we need to supply electrical coupler, because one PCB was there. So 3 towers are there. One is small tower is called a filter tower or coalescing tower, and these 2 bigger towers, so the actual tower will be there. These 2 bigger towers perform the drying and purging action. So the tower changing, we need to do automatically by one numerical inside. So we need to supply electrical current to this air dryer for functioning. So if this air dryer is malfunctioning, what will happen? The MR1 pressure will drain automatically from the outlet of this drain valve or purge valve. So this air dryer malfunction means it should operate for a second and it should stop, but it would be any problem in the dryer or problem in this drain valve or purge valve at the bottom, the air dryer will malfunction. So to avoid that, in all alpha locos, one bypass system is available. That is nothing but bypassing the air dryer. So instead of going through the air dryer, we can bypass the air dryer and we can take the MR1 pressure to the MR2 reservoir. Okay, this bypass cock will normally in closed position, but whenever your MR pressure drops due to continuous blowing of the air dryer, first we should disconnect the electrical coupler in the air dryer. Even though if you're disconnecting, after disconnected, alkali coupler was disconnected, even but still the air dryer is exhaust blowing, we need to close the inlet valve and inlet cock and outlet cock and bypassing the air dryer. But in all alcohol workers, this bypass arrangement is available. If bypass cock is not available, we should dummy the drain port of the air dryer. Here we should dummy this drain port. But in all alcohol workers, bypass system is available. I will show you photos also. This photo. So this is the behind that we are having our air dryer. This is the MR1 air coming to the air dryer. So this is the inlet cock to the air dryer. Here we are having our air dryer. This is the air dryer outlet cock, and it is going to MR2 reservoir. But if we need to bypass this air dryer, what we should do? We should close this inlet cock. We should close this outlet cock. We should open this bypass cock. Then the air dryer will be bypassed. So without going through the air dryer, via this pipeline, the MR1 air will reach the MR2 reservoir, bypassing the air dryer. Okay, this is the air dryer. And here we can see this safety valve, auto-blower valve, MR reservoir, duplex valve. What is the function of this duplex valve? It will open only when MR pressure is more than 5 kg per centimeter squared. But then only our MR equalizing pipe and feed valve will get charged. So these hoses yesterday I showed you. So this green hose is BP hose, this white hose is FP hose. So BP is the BP pressure, 5 kg pressure will come through this hose. This FP hose, 6 kg feed pipe pressure will come through this hose via FP angle cock and BP angle cock at the back side. It was not, it was the bracket was hiding that BP angle cock. And here we are simply having two hoses, that is MR equalizing hose and BC equalizing hose. These are all the 4 hoses, pneumatic hoses available. So types of air dryer. We are having 5 types of air dryer. So 5 makes of air dryer. 5 company is providing this air dryer. So one is this Stone India Limited Sim type. Another one is this Trident make type. Third one is this Norbramse make type. Fourth one is this Prac Polymers make type. Fifth one is this FTILR Saprocco make type 2 air dryer. So MR pressure gauge. I said the after this brake system clamp and taken to the MR pressure gauge available inside the cabin. So this MR pressure gauge in the cabin will show always this MR2 pressure. So it will not show the MR pressure. And air also won't go to the air brake system. Even though air is available in the main reservoir, if we close that brake system cutout bucket, the MR gauge will also show 0, and also air won't go to the air brake system. So there are various drain cocks available. So intercooler drain cock, yesterday I had shared, I think. This is the intercooler drain cock. This small cock is this intercooler drain cock available at the intercooler. So it is available on the intercooler. So what is available on the compressor room? Control reservoir drain cock. So this is the control reservoir. The control reservoir is having this drain cock. So this is always available in the control reservoir. If the control reservoir is available, the nose compartment will be here. In P3 locos means it will be available on alternator room. MR1 and MR2 drain cock. So it will be on the MR1 and MR2 reservoirs only. J filter drain cock. So always J filters on local right side nearer to the MR2. So the drain cock is attached to the J reservoirs only. This is this J filter drain cock. The cock attached to the J filter. This is the J filter drain cock. If you want to drain MR, you should open this J filter drain cock to drain all the MR pressure. Next is here N1 reducing valve cock. So always N1 reducing valve means the control air reservoir cock. That cock is available nearer to the control reservoir in the nose compartment except P3A loco. It is available on the alternative. PCS2 cock that we will study later. So compressor governor cock or EPG governor cock that is always available on the compressor room wall. The compressor governor cock is this is the compressor governor cutout cock. It is always available. Compressor room cock. The pressure switch cock. So this EPG pressure switch and its cutout cock is available on the nose compartment in alcohol except P3 it is available on aircraft panel and cap. RN cock, wiper cock. These are the accessories cock. So RN cock is available on the nose compartment and the wiper cock is also available on the nose compartment. Brake cylinder cutout cock, that is bogie isolation cock. Also India logos. It is all the logos. It is available on logo for right side. Here WDM 3D, it is not right side, it is left side. So P3A logos and 3D logos, it is available on left side. All the other logos, it is available on right side. How many bogie isolation cock or brake cylinder cutout cocks available? Per logo, 2 numbers available, each for each truck. So each truck will have one brake cylinder cutout cock or bogie isolation cock. Sander cock, it is also available on under truck only for disconnecting the sander. So brake system cock. We have seen now after the jet filter, we are having this brake system cutout cock on logo right side near MR2 reservoir. Auto drain valve cock. So this auto drain valve cock is always because wherever auto drain valve is available, this auto drain valve cock is there. So this is auto drain valve, but it is obsolete type. So olden days the auto drain valve is available only on MR1 tanks. So it is always available on MR1. And if MR2 auto drain valve available, it will be nearer MR1 and MR2 reservoirs. Next we are going to see the troubleshooting. The MR pressure not building up for all the reasons and how we can troubleshoot it. So if MR pressure not building up, so MR1, MR2 drain cocks or J filter drain cocks are open. If all the drain cocks are in open or if any of the drain cocks are in open, so all the MR pressure produced from the compressor will simply go out only. That's what we need to close this drain cocks. And MR equalizing cutout cocks are open. As I said yesterday, MR pressure is only converting into MR equalizing there. So the MR equalizing simply it is not charging. If there one cutout cock is available, both at the short hood and the long hood of the logo. So that cutout cock should be in closed condition. If it is in open condition, so all the MR pressure which is converting into MR equalizing pressure will go to the atmosphere through the open cutout cock through the MR equalizing forces available on short hood and long hood. MR pipelines cracked or leakage in the pipeline. If there is any leakage in the pipeline or the pipeline got cracked, then also MR pressure will go out. MR pressure will not build up. MR safety valve blowing continuously. So the set pressure, MR safety valve set pressure gone wrong or due to the malfunctioning of EPG, the loco is continuously in loading process. No unloading is taking place. At that time, your safety valve will start to blow continuously. So at that time, 10.5 kg per centimeter square at the 10.5 MR safety valve will open and all the pressure will go to the atmosphere. That's what your MR pressure won't build up. MR safety valve drop on run. If the MR safety valve drop on run, so there will be a gap in the pipeline. So we need to refit that MR safety valve or if not, we need to delete the line. But MR safety valve is a safety item because it is safeguarding all the reservoirs and pipelines from overbuilding of MR1 pressure. But if the MR safety valve is not able to fit it back again, if you are dumping that MR safety valve hole, we should ensure that loading and unloading takes place at proper pressure. That is 8 to 10 and 10 to 8 at proper loading and unloading is taking place. We should ensure that. Equipment defects. If the equipment defects, what it will cause MR pressure dropping. Auto drain valve blowing continuously. If it is auto drain valve or if it is a auto blow-down valve, if it is blowing continuously or it is malfunctioning, we need to gently tap the valve. If not, we should close this auto drain valve pathway. If it is an auto blow-down valve, I said we can isolate the auto blow-down valve by rotating the spindle, rotating the wheel to the clockwise direction so that spindle will go inside. So if it is auto drain valve, we can close this auto drain valve pathway in older locals, but nowadays auto blow-down valve is available. So we can isolate the auto blow-down valve by rotating the handle wheel. Air compressor governor becoming defect during unloading process. Not air compressor, that is EPG governor. If it is defective during unloading process, what will happen? So the unloaders will be continuously in operation. So once the pressure reaches 8 kg, the unloading function should stop and the loading function should start. But the unloader is having problem. So it is continuously unloading the pressure. It is not loading the compressor. So drastically your MR pressure will reduce from 8 kg, also 876, it will reduce to the bottom. So what we should do? At that time, we should close this governor cutout pathway. The air supply going to the EPG, we should cut it out. That is, by closing the cutout pathway, no air supply can go to EPG. If no air supply going to EPG means no air supply will go to unloader. So unloader won't function. So normal compressor action takes place. But at the same time, compressor, that unloader can't able to unload the pressure if MR pressure reaches 10 kg also. So at that time, what we should do? We should open this MR1 and MR2 drain cock slightly. So always our MR pressure will be maintained within 10 kg per centimeter square. And air flowing continuously from air dryer purge valve heavy leakage. If the air dryer is having heavy leakage in the fans, or the air dryer purge valves are exhaust flowing continuously, what we said earlier, we should remove the electrical coupler, or if it is not possible, we should close the inlet and outlet cock and open the bypass cock. Thereby, we can bypass the air dryer. But we should note it in the repair group, because bypassing the air dryer, what it will cause? Moisture air will enter into the MR2 reservoir and subsequently into the pneumatic system, that is air brake system. So you should make a note in the repair book regarding this bypassing of air dryer or air dryer leakage. Intercooler safety valve defective or droplet, like MR safety valve. If the intercooler safety valve available on the compressor room intercooler, if it is dropped on so there also the chance of MR pressure to leak through the holes. So what we should do? We should gently tap the valve, or if dropped means refit it. The line, but we should ensure that MR pressure is loading and unloading properly taking place. If the intercooler tubes burst, what will happen? So if intercooler tubes bursting means there will be leakage in the intercooler pipe tubes. So air will also leak through the burst tubes. So what we should do? We should raise the engine RPM to higher notch so that we should maintain the pressure more than 5 kg per centimeter. Why we need 5 kg per centimeter square? Because after 5 kg only, the 5 kg pressure only we needed for controller reservoir. Similarly, 5 kg pressure we needed for our brake system, that is brake pipe pressure. And 5 kg pressure is only the main, that's what we need more than 5 kg, more than 5 kg per centimeter square pressure. That's what we should raise the engine RPM. If intercooler drain cock dropped, the drain cock dropped, there will be a chance of the MR pressure leak for the same reasons. So we can repeat that drain cock, or we can work in higher notches to maintain the MR pressure more than 5 kg per centimeter square. Why we are making in higher notches? Because in higher notches, engine will rotate with higher RPM. So the compressor shaft will also rotate with higher RPM. So more compressive action will be taking place. So more air delivery will be there. Air intake strainer blocked. So the air inlet filters available on both the LP cylinders. If it is blocked, at the time also sufficient atmospheric air can't able to go inside the compressor, then also your compressor, the MR pressure will be low. So we have to, in shed they will remove, they will clean the dust, the compressed air, they will repeat it again. Compressor defects, if there is a problem in the compressor, that is internal components are broken, it may be noticed by heavy unusual sound. That is, the lube oil system is not working properly, or internal components broken. We should surround the loco, we should fail the loco, and we should inform only. Piston rings worn out, like the problems in our engine cylinder, compressor cylinder also piston can worn out. So there will be heavy oil through the compressor exhaust. That is, the lube oil system will be go out through the gaps of the piston rings. It will reach the discharge valve and it will reach the MR. It will mix with the MR air and it will go out. So that will cause the lube oil level to drop. So we should truly work the local with truly watching this compressor oil level. If heavy excessive oil throw is there, we should make a note in the repair book and we should inform to the PRC and should do. If inlet or discharge valves are carbonized and sticky, that is, we are having inlet valve and discharge valve. The type of valve is called plate type valve. I will send the video of working of the plate type discharge valve and inlet valve. If it is carbonized and sticky, that is, it is can't able to open or can't able to close. It will make the compressor defective also. So at that time, what we should do? We should gently tap the valve. Otherwise, if it still is in defective means we should inform schedule day. We are saying schedule day by duly failing the logo. So these are all the troubleshooting. This is not needed because compressor is not available. So no need of this troubleshooting. But we can take it as a compressor also. If white smoke or oil from the compressor exhaust, so it is due to overfilling of oil or breather dropped or the oil filling cap was slacked or the dipstick was not inserted properly or the brass connecting to the the exhaust is some door gasket damaged or the oil seal inside is defective or heavy flow by due to the overload piston brake. So these are the reasons for white smoke or oil flow from compressor also. So what are the points to be remembered? That is, fast coupling is provided in between the engine block and compressor, and it is lubricated by cardiac bumper as I said yesterday. Cooper's coupling is provided between compressor and ECC. So Cooper's coupling is also called as ball type rubber ball type coupling. The brass spindle is only available to indicate the compressor crankcase lube oil pressure. No lube oil gauge available for this compressor system. In 3CDP compressor, simple crankcase breather is provided. So EPG pressure switch is not available in microprocessor locos. Inside a MR pressure sensor is provided, but EPG pressure switch and its cutout block is available in the nose compartment in non-microprocessor locos. In 3CDP compressor, 2 intercooler safety valves is provided. There in the line between the intercooler to HP cylinder. So MR safety valve is at 10.5 kg per centimeter squared. Non-return valve is provided between MR1 and MR2 reservoir, and another one component provided between MR1 and MR2 is air dryer. N1 reducing valve is provided to supply the controller pressure. How much the controller pressure? 5 kg per centimeter squared. What is the purpose of this controller pressure? For operation of the electropneumatic power contactors EPPC, BKTs and reversers. In WDP3 logo, this N1 reducing valve and this control reservoir and cutout block is all available on the alternator room. So auto drain valve is provided at MR1, but nowadays auto blow down valve is provided on both the MR1 and MR2 reservoir for partly draining the moisture from the MR1. Any doubts in this compressor system? Any doubt in this compressor system?
No, sir.
No doubt means we shall go to the next system. So what is the next system we are going to see? Air brake system. Okay. Before that, so what is the need of this air brake system? See here that MR2 pressure. That for air brake system, I said we need MR2 pressure for air brake system. So the air brake system available on Alto Locos is called a IRAB1 system. It is called a Indian Railways air brake system. So what are all the controls? So we are controlling the loco brake by means of this valve that is called a SA9 valve, and we are controlling the formation brake by means of this A9 valve. So this SA9 valve and A9 valve only available on both the control stands. So LP is applying the brake or releasing the brake, both the local brake and formation brake by means of this SA9 valve and A9 valve. So SA9 valve is used only for loco brake. That is, if you are that is MR pressure is applied to the SA9 valve, and if LP is operating this SA9 valve through the air brake system, other valves, what pressure is charging? BC pressure is charging. BC pressure means brake cylinder pressure. How much it is charging? It is charging 3 or 3.5 kilogram per centimeter square. Where this pressure is going? It is going to the loco brake cylinders. So front track via this bogie isolation cock of a front track, it is going to 4 brake cylinders. Similarly, via this rear track bogie isolation cock, it is going to 4 brake cylinders on the rear track. So in the front track, after this bogie isolation cock, the capping is going to brake cylinder gauge. This gauge is available in the on both the control stands. So this shows how much pressure is applying. So SRN valve loco brake applied means 3 or 3.5 kg pressure will reach the brake cylinder to apply the loco brake. If you are releasing this SRN valve means the 3 kg pressure will be exhausted to the atmosphere. That's what the brakes, all the brakes will be in least condition. So this is one of the output of the brake system. Input we are giving this MR2 pressure. Another output from the brake system. This is from the A9 valve. So the A9 valve, as I said, it is used for applying the formation brake. So by the LPG is operating this A9 valve, it will only charge the BP pressure. So it will charge the BP pressure. BP pressure, how much maximum value? 5 kg per centimeter square. So the BP pressure, if it is charged to 5 kg per centimeter square, that means that BP pressure is charged in this pipeline in the loco. That's what I shown you the angle curve, the first number pipe, that is BP course. So the BP pressure is charged to the long hood, short hood, and also to the long hood of the loco via one cutout cock. This cutout cock is normally should be in open condition in both the short hood and long hood. Via this cutout cock, this BP pressure is going to this angle cock and to the hose. This angle cock should be normally closed, but if it is attached to the formation, if the loco is attached to the formation, these are all coaches or wagons. Coaches or wagons is also having one BP angle cock and a BP hose. So from the loco, this 5 kg per centimeter square pressure is charged to the coaches. So through the individual connections between the coaches, this BP pressure is going to all the coaches and wagons. Okay, now we are charging this BP pressure. So 5 kg, if you are charging from the loco by means of A9 valve, it will make the brake cylinder available on the coaches or wagons in release condition. So if BP is 5 kg, the brakes on the coaches or wagons will be in released condition. But by operating this A9 valve, if you are dropping this BP, so 5 kg I am dropped to 4 kg or 3.5 kg. Now what will happen? For the formation also all the pressure will get dropped from 5 to 3. If it is dropping from the 5A, that means brakes are going to apply. So if it is 4 kg, somewhat lesser brake pressure will be there. If it drop the BP pressure to 3.5 kg, so more brake cylinder pressure will be there. That is, brakes are applied in the coaches are formation. That is, if a single loco, if a LP wants to apply brake in the loco, he will apply this SA9 one way. But if he wants to apply brake in the train along with the loco, along the coaches and wagons, if you want to apply brake, what he will do? He will destroy this BP pressure. That is, he will reduce this BP pressure by operating this SA9 one way. So this BP we are going to take into the, then what is the purpose of this FP pressure? FP angle curve also we are having. So this from the MR1, as I said yesterday, through the duplex valve. So in duplex valve will move when MR1 pressure reaches 5 kg per centimeter square. So after this duplex valve, MR equalizing forces pipeline is also charged. That is the third number of force. And also this duplex, after this duplex valve, we are sending this MR pressure to feed valve. So the feed valve is having one inlet cock and outlet cock. The feed valve is only converting this MR pressure into feed pipe pressure of 6 kg per centimeter square. So that 6 kg per centimeter square is also taken to the short-tooth and long-tooth of the loco through one cutout cock and one angle cock. This cutout cock will always be in open condition. This angle cock, normally it will be in closed condition, but if the loco is attached to the formation, we will be supplying this FP pressure also, that is 6 kg pressure also to the formation of the FP pipelines through hoses. So what is the purpose of this FP hose? This FP hose, this FP pressure in combination of this BP pressure, here one distributor valve will be available on the coaches and wagons. So by the combination of these two pressures, the brake will be released or applied. That's what we need to send these two BP pressure and FP pressure to the formation. Then this third hose, that is MR equalizing hose, is used for sending this MR equalizing pressure to the trial loco or dead loco only, for affecting brakes in the dead loco or trial loco of a multi-unit. Similarly, the same, whenever our brake cylinders are getting applied, at the same time, our brake cylinder equalizing pipe also getting charged. That is a fourth hose. So this is also used for brake application and releasing in the trial loco of a multi-unit or dead loco of the multi-unit. So BP hose and FP hose are used for brake application, the formations, and this BC equalizing hose and MR equalizing hose are used for brake application and release in the dead loco or multi-unit trial loco. But without connecting this BC equalizing hose and MR equalizing hose, by simply connecting this BP hose and FP hose to the trial, to the dead loco, we can have brakes in the dead loco also. So brakes we can have in the dead loco by connecting these two pipes also, or by connecting these 4 number of pipes also. So what are all the pipes available? So these are all the 4 pipes. The brake pipe, BP hose, white is the feed pipe, FP hose. So these two will come out via one control block inside that we can't able to see, but one angle block will be FP angle block will be there, but the bottom side green color BP angle block will be there. So the other two hoses, that is MR equalizing hose and BC equalizing hose, it will charge through these hoses. So inside also we are having 2 cutout blocks for BC, MR equalizing and one cock, BC equalizing one cock, and short wood and long wood respectively. That cock should be in closed condition. If you are attaching a dead loco only, after attaching these 2 hoses, that cock to be opened for charging this MR equalizing pressure and BC equalizing pressure from our leading loco to the dead loco or trial multi-unit trial loco.
മൈക്കോണോ അതിൽ കേട്ട്.
So this air brake system available in all Alco locos is called IRAP1 air brake system. That is Indian Railway air brake system version 1. So previous days I said whenever the expressor is available, vacuum brakes are also available. Vacuum systems are also available. Nowadays in the MG loco, that is meter gauge loco running on Nilagiri Mountain Railway is having that dual brake system, air and vacuum brake system. That is the loco it is air brake, but the coaches are vacuum brake. But all the other locos nowadays running PG locos, that is Alco locos and all HHP locos are air brake system only. But the system available in the Alco locos is IRAP1 brake system. That is Indian Railway air brake 1 brake system. As I said yesterday, the purpose of the compressor is used for the brake pipe pressures. What are the brake pipe pressures we are creating? To create a brake pipe pressure BP 5 kg per centimeter square with the help of which valve? That A9 valve. So brake cylinder and brake cylinder equalizing pressure. Brake cylinder means loco brake. So how much pressure it is? 3 or 3.5 kilogram per centimeter square, which is created by which valve? SA9 valve. That is operators controlling these two A9 valve and SA9 valve to create BP or to create PC for loco brake or to create BP or destroy BP for releasing or applying the formation brake. And also we are converting this MR pressure into feed pipe pressure. And also we are converting this MR pressure into MR equalizing pressure through duplex valve. So these are all the functions of this compressed air in the brake system. These are all other systems. Yesterday we got this auxiliaries, controller system, the functioning of compressor, unloaders and unloading. So yesterday we had seen from the MR2 reservoir via this brake system, control cock and J filter, the air is taken to the brake system. So the MR pressure in the gauge in the cabin will always shows MR2 reservoir pressure. If the control cock is closed, means no air will be going to the air brake system. So from the air brake system, we are getting two outputs. That is BP pressure, three outputs: BP pressure, PC pressure, and PC equalizing pressure. So this MR1 is converted into this MR equalizing pressure and feed pipe pressure. So this is the MR1 MR2 reservoir. So from the MR2 reservoir via this brake system control pocket and this J filter, the air is supplied to our air brake plate panel, air brake system. This is the J filter control pocket. So previous days, this vacuum brake system is available. 28 LV1 system is available. After that, a combination of air and vacuum is available. That is 28 LAV1 system. Via the system, the loco brake will be air and formation brake we can able to call both the air and vacuum dual brake system. But nowadays only pure IRAP1 system is available on Alco locos. This CCB system, computer controlled brake system. This computer controlled brake system is available on HHP locos only. That is WD P4, P4P, G4, G4T. It is available. But in all Alco locos, this IRAP1 brake system is available. It is a pure pneumatic system. That is air is unknown. We are brake and also the formation brake. So what are the locos available? 28 LAV1 is available on that Nilagiri Mountain Railways and IRAP system is all available on G3A, B3A, M3, all Alco locos. In HHP locos, the CCB system is available as G4, P4, P4T, G4T and P4P. What is the development of air brake system? So first pure vacuum, it was converted into dual brake, that is air and vacuum. Now it is pure IRAP1 system is available. Initially, pipeline type only available. Pipeline type means the individual valves will be available on different parts of the loco. So one valve will be available on loco right side. One valve will be available on the nose compartment. One valve will be available on A control stand. So individual pipelines have to be laid on all throughout the loco. So this is the pipeline type old locos. Next, it was converted into rack mounted type. Rack mounted means yes, a rack was A fabricated rack was placed in the nose compartment. So in that rack, the individual valves are taken from various locations and placed in the rack, and the pipelines are laid. Minimum pipelines are laid in the rack. So pipelines are eliminated or minimized in this rack mounted type. Next came the biplate panel type. So biplate panel type means when two plates are sandwiched, two plates are attached together. In between these two plates, the air passages are drilled or grooved in these two plates, and walls are attached on both the sides of the plate. That is on the front side of the plate. So through the grooved passages, from one wall to other wall, the air can reach or air can exhaust. That's why the brake system is functioning. It's a biplate panel type. But nowadays, in all the logos, these biplate panels are changed into this triplate panel. So triplate panel is nothing but three plates are joined together, are sandwiched together. So between these three plates, grooves are laid up, or holes are drilled for air passages from one wall to other wall to operate the other wall or to destroy the air from one wall to other wall. These passages are used. And in the front of the triplate panel, the individual walls are arranged. So this triplate panel itself available in the nose compartment. Okay, so we will have some collection of walls. So this is a combination of walls will make the system function to give output. So MR pressure, MR2 pressure we will be supplying to this triplate panel, and it will give output based on the SN9 and AN9 handle position by the operated by the loco pilot. It will give the output. What are the output? You will give BC pressure, BC equalizing pressure, and BP pressure. That is by SN9 and AN9. Then in CCB, there is in HHP locos nowadays, CCB system is available. So this is a computer controlled brake system that is available on HHP locos. So this is a panel. This is a triplate panel. The triplate panel on front side, that walls are arranged. I will show you the panel. So this is the panel. Three plates are sandwiched together. On front side, walls are arranged. Between these three plates, individual air passages are through that air can go from one wall to other wall to make work the air brake system. So we will take 5 minutes break. Now time is 10:20. We will see back at 10:25.